p.m. At 5:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southwest of Farmington, or 10 miles south of Uniontown, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Kingwood, Terra Alta, Albright, Brandonville, Brewston Mills, Valley Point, Laurel Run, Hazleton, Cranesville, Clifton Mills. This includes Interstate 68 in West Virginia between mile markers 15 and 31. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
Another one!
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Greene and Washington, the National Weather Service at Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Central Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. At 4:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Waynesburg, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Waynesburg, Jefferson Borough, Fairdale, Rogersville, Marietta, Carmichaels, Rice's Landing, Clarksville, Amity, Nineveh. This includes Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 7 and 26. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.